welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an oil change on this Acura tail right here, TLX. So first we got to find a jack point and we're going to jack it up. Alright, so we have our oil drain pan right here. It seems to be 17 millimeter. So we're going to go ahead and remove that 17 millimeter. It seems like we have a little bit of oil leak, so we're going to need a washer. Alright, so we're going to let that drain. So once that drain, we're going to change the washer on this and then reinstall it. Alright guys, so we're going to remove the filter. We have a filter tool right here. Alright, so this one won't do it. I'm going to have to use the pliers on that one. So just want to hold this right here. So we letting it drain right now. So you want to make sure that the rubber from the oil filter doesn't stay on this part. So it's not there, the rubber is on the filter itself, you can see, and there's no rubber up there. We're going to clean that surface. Alright, so now that's clean, we're going to get the new filter, put a light lube of oil on the O-ring, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we just gotta get a little bit of oil in your finger and rub it around on the rubber like that. And that's it for that part. Now it's time to screw it back in, and it's gonna be a full turn, 3/4. Once the rubber meet contact, it's gonna be a Alright, there we meet contact, so we're going to try to make 3/4 of a turn to a full turn. So that way you don't over tighten it. Alright, so we have our oil plug, the washer. We're changing the washer. This is a new washer right here. It's time to go underneath the car. Alright, so we're going to put back our washer right here. We're going to put back our drain plug, and we're going to torque it to spec. Alright, so now it's time to remove the jack this time, and to lower the jack. So guys, the oil it take is 020 and it's full synthetic. So that's it. We're gonna pour the oil in. So we're gonna get a funnel sponsored by, I'm just kidding, it's not a sponsored video. So let's do this. Free advertisement though. Shit, and the thing's still low. Alright, there we go. So it should take like 5 quart or 4 point something. But I'm gonna put 4 quart in it first and then check it, and then we can go up from there. So now it's time to check the oil. So it's just at the below mark, so I'm gonna add some more on it. It's at the minimum level, so I'm gonna add some oil in it. Oh yeah, so 4.5 quart. You bring it a little bit over the full. So 4.5 quart, bring it a little bit over the full, and that gonna so when the filter full up, it's gonna drain down some. That's it. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, and then also what I'm gonna do is check the air seat filter too. In the meantime, I'm gonna change the cabin air filter, but also I'm gonna reset the maintenance light. So guys, to reset the service light, these are what we're gonna use to go through it. So let's see the oil change. So you can see the oil life is by 5%, so we're going to reset that. So we're going to scroll to vehicle settings or something like that. So vehicle settings, we're going to press down on the stick. Vehicle settings. Alright, press down, because this you can actually press down to select. Then we're going to scroll on to maintenance info. So we're going to press this down, and then we're going to have that menu right there. And then what we're going to do is scroll up to reset, and you can see it say 5% underneath, and it's reset now. So what we can do is over here press back, or we got maybe see, you got to scroll to exit, press enter on that, scroll down, and you can see oil life is now 100%. So yep, that's good. So what we're gonna do is turn the car off and let the car sit for like 2 minutes, and then we check the oil to make sure it's at the correct level. If it need oil, you add it. If you don't need it, you just leave it alone. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and also check underneath the car, make sure there's nothing leaking. Peace out. See you next time.